Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now we will uncover the stories from the world of automobiles. In today's video, we'll take you on captivating journey into the innovation in automotive that never happens in real life. The fifth wheel in cars. Although this concept never became a reality, they offer a fascinating glimpse into the innovative ideas that have shaped the automotive industry. So, buckle up. Let's dive right in. If you first watched the video on this channel, I appreciate like subscribing from you and hope you enjoy. There is an expression that says driving is easy, but what is difficult is parking. Solutions to overcome parking complications have existed since ancient times. One of the miraculous inventions is the fifth wheels. Parallel car parking is indeed difficult and easy. Apart from needing concentration, feel, and patience are needed when entering car into narrow space. A solution was found to this problem with the creation of the fifth wheels in 1930s. There was an initial idea of adding additional tires mounted on the rear of the car. These tires are in hidden position when not in use, but can be lowered to the touch of the asphalt when needed for parking. Unlike the other four tires, this fifth tire is installed transversely. The aim is to enable the car to move diagonally. When the rear tire of the car are lowered, the tail of the car is raised. This makes it easier for the driver to shift the rear of the car to the left or right, without the driver needing to get out of the car. This finding is certainly good news when people have difficulty parallel parking. The mechanism came from the idea of an engineer from California, Brooks Walker. In 1930s, he modified a Packard four-door sedan so that it had spare tire that could be used as the fifth tire. Walker obtained his fifth tire patent on December 6, 1938. 6 years after the patent was filed in 1932. In 1950s, the spare tire which became the fifth tire was said to use power from the drive shaft. They call this device the park car and said it can be installed on any model car and will make it easy for any type of parking. How it works? It taking power from the drive shaft. The spare tire swings over the rear end, then it just pulls the spare tire, get back on the road, and goes. Returning to the Walker business, which was named Walker Research, made the Packard Cavalier sedan have the fifth tire. The sedan is equipped with the various components such as hydraulic pump and of course additional tires. It is also stated that Walker once took his invention to Detroit, offered it to an automotive company. Its device that added this fifth wheel feature would have cost about $175 in those days or about $1628 today. This calculation makes the car's maker not look at them, plus the addition of hidden wheels takes up luggage space. Detroit also rejected. Despite the rejection, Walker was not giving up on his finding. In 1953, he built a Packard Cavalier sedan with a fifth tire hidden in the trunk as a prototype vehicle. But previously, because he felt it was taking up luggage space, he got around it by placing it outside, aka on the rear bumper. Using a series of gears, pumps, and hydraulic lines, the Walker system can be activated by simply pressing a button under the dash. Surprisingly, Detroit again said no. Even though it has been discovered, no one seems to care about Walker's discovery. To this day, his 1953 Packard Cavalier is very unique as the only unit have prototype fifth tire. Walker's effort to win over automakers were unsuccessful. However, until the end of his life, no automakers manufacturer had looked at fifth wheels as an alternative. However, Walker managed to make his dream come true. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for our channel. And as always, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Sorry for my broken and bad English. If you still watch until this minute, thank you and see you again.
I'm not too high to do. I got the superstar glow, so to the fullest.